Using a pair of hardware momentary buttons for volume control with the Symetrix DSP's analog GPIO inputs is possible with just a few quick and easy steps. First, open up your site design and locate the gain fader in question. Then open the module. Right-click on the fader and choose Set up to Remote Control. Then assign it an unused remote control number and close the Set up to Remote Control dialog. Drag in a one-button momentary module and a network string output module from the toolkit and wire them together. Open up both modules and place them next to each other. Right-click on the one-button momentary on button and choose Set up to Remote Control. Instead of assigning it a remote control number, select Local Analog Input and choose the associated GPIO input. In this case, switch 1A will be selected. Close the Set up to Remote Control dialog. Now, in the network string output module, enter the correct string command in the field. In this case, we will be using a change control command to increase the gain fader by 1 dB. The string will read CC11780 and then a carriage return. This command will not work without the carriage return. CC for change control, 1 referring to remote control number 1. A second one denoting that we are raising the position of the fader, while a 0 would lower the fader, and then 780 for 1 dB of movement. The movement number will vary depending on the min-max spread of the fader you're using. In this case, we determine this by adding 12 to 72, the minimum and maximum values of this fader, giving us 84. Then divide 65535 by 84, and this gives you the 1 dB increment value. Next, enter the correct IP address into the field. This can either be the host address of 127.0.0.1 or can be the actual network IP address of the unit. Now enter 48631 into the port field. This programming is now complete, though another string of logic programming will need to be placed for the opposite direction command. In this case, the only differences would be that the one-button momentary would be switch 2A instead of 1A. The string command would be CC10 instead of a second one, 780, and a carriage return. Composer will not show logic activity while offline. Push to go online and test programming.